Hi all, it's Tammy from greentdesignco. Can you believe it's spring, April 17th? We got a freak winter storm last night. Well, I guess it wouldn't be freak, it was snowing last year at the same time. But I wanted to show you how beautiful it is out here in the country when it snows, because it is really pretty. I know you guys liked my horses last time, so I thought I would do a little visit with them again. So let's turn the camera around. Here's the, is it not going to turn the, okay, there we go. There's the pastures, and they are all snowed over. And here's the horsies, and I don't know if you can see the woods, but oh my gosh, the woods are just, is it gonna let me go up a little bit here? Oh, it's so pretty. Here, I tried to get it. So the woods is just beautiful. Tree, the snow's sticking on the, there's Bravo. Say hi, Bravo. Yeah. And then there's the horsies. Here they come. There goes the snowplow. So they're all looking, standing in. They like this weather. I don't know where Willie went off to. I think he went into the barn. But there's the big boys. And Waffles. Here comes Willie. There he is. Hey, baby. Now here they all come. Hey, baby. Hi. So here's the big boys. There's Bob and Bill, and here's Waffles. You can see Waffles. Hey, get out of there. You can see Waffles. She's our rescue. And then there's Bill and Bob. So, hi, boys. They're big. Get back a little bit so you can see them. There we go. There we go. I can't turn, it won't let me, once I start videoing, it won't let me turn the camera around, so. But it is chilly out here. There are dogs over here. Come on, let's go back in the house, it's cold. Yes, come on. Come on, Bravo, shop. Whew. So, that's a little bit of a winter storm on the farm. Come on, Bravo, shop. If I could find the kitties, I'd show you the kitties. We have barn cats too, but they're probably hunkered down in the hay. They're smart, not like us out in this cold. There's Bravo playing. He loves the snow. Come on, Shop. Come on, Bravo. Thanks. Hope you guys are all staying safe and staying warm. Bye. See you in the next crafty video.